Virgil Abloh's legacy continues with the Air Force One Mid. Celebrating 40 years of Air Force One, he reimagined the legendary silhouette through the futurist lens. Lightweight, airy mesh with wood grain pattern brings a utilitarian edge, while the spiked outsole connects directly to the ISPA philosophy of improvise, scavenge, protect, adapt. And as always, Virgil left room for others to be creative. The design pairs traditional laces with a secondary set that loops through fly wire cables. And the result? A modernized and experimental reflection on history's most revered shoe.